everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Emma and today I am going to be doing some gardening. As you guys may remember, last year I had a Cinderblock garden that I reworked. It got posted a little bit after I did the reworking, so it seems a little sooner. I think it was probably posted about 6 months ago, but it was last year around this time that I made the video. But I'm going to be redoing the Cinderblock garden, just cleaning it up, getting it ready for the season, and I thought I would have you guys join me today for that. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you get notifications each time I post. I usually post a new video every Saturday or every other Saturday, so I hope to see you there. So without further ado, let's get into it. everyone, this is the finished project of me reworking my concrete garden. I do this every year, every 6 months or so, so once or twice a year. And so hopefully you guys enjoyed this just like the last one. Please go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Leave a comment down below telling me what you did or didn't like about it so I know how to make my content better next time. But it was a whole lot of fun to do this. It looks really nice and I'm excited to see how this little concrete garden grows because I just realized we had some more cinder blocks recently, so maybe I'll do some more. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it so much. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!